Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record a video on your Insta360 GO Ultra. To record a video, you'll need to go to any video mode that is available. So click on the button in the bottom left corner and then select either video, pure video, which improves quality in low light, a free frame video, which does like stabilization and stuff like that. There's basically lots of different modes here, and I'll just select a classic video mode. And then to start recording, you can either just click on the record button here on the action pod. Now it starts recording, and to stop it, click on it again. Now you also you can use your standalone camera to start recording by pressing on this little button right here. Just press on it and it starts recording. And that's how it works. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.